Watch this video till end to get fix the issues on iPhone SIM card errors. Your problems are: no SIM card pop-up, no SIM card installed, invalid SIM, drop signal, eSIM problems. Solution 1. Use airplane mode. If you are facing issues like Wi-Fi, GPS, cellular or Bluetooth, toggling the airplane mode fix the issues. This walks most of the cases. Step 2. Find and turn airplane mode toggle on. Wait for 5 to 20 seconds. Step 3. Now turn off airplane mode. Solution 2. Reboot your iPhone. Your iPhone can't detect SIM due to some reasons. That we fixed after reboot iPhone. iPhone XS, XS Max, iPhone XR, by 8/8 Plus, press and hold side button and volume up button to get into the slide to power off screen. Now, press side button to turn on. Turn off iPhone 7/7 Plus, 6S, 6/6 Plus. 1. Press and hold sleep wake button to get slide to power off. 2. Turn iPhone by press and hold on sleep wake button only until you see Apple logo on screen. Solution 3. SIM card is properly placed. You should check SIM card tray clean, SIM card not damaged, SIM card inserted and properly adjusted. Solution 1. Clean your SIM card tray using cloth. 2. Damaged card should be replaced from carrier. 3. Install SIM card properly. Check user manual for more help. Solve 4. SIM card is damaged becuase of water. Your iPhone touched with water but you don't know. Go for SIM replacement and dry the SIM slot at first. Solution 5. Try another SIM. 1. Before card replacement, you can try another SIM temporary. After SIM replacement is right way, and contact your carrier for the card replacement. Solution 6. Carrier settings update. Right and simple things you should do. 1. Go to the settings app on iPhone. 2. Next, tap on General. 3. Tap on About. If carrier settings is available for you, then you will be asked for update carrier settings. Tap on Update and done. Solution 7. Reset network settings. 1. Go to the settings app on iPhone. 2. Tap on General, scroll down to Reset. 3. Tap on Reset network settings. Solution 8. Upgrade iOS to the Lateset version of iOS. Settings, General, Software Update. In case for error, iPhone SIM and invalid or SIM card failure. Solution 9. Try clean restore if this problem becuase of jailbreak the device. Remove jailbreak. Solution 10. Restore your iPhone to factory default using iTunes. Any of the solution not work for you, you can ask to Apple support team. Don't miss to subscribe our YouTube channel. This become helpful to you. Helps me a lot to pay via PayPal. jasic.pharma@gmail.com. Feel free comment to help out.